life coach Shafali. Welcome to this video. This is a monthly pick a card reading for October 2021. In this video, we are going to do a pick a card reading for the coming month. All you have to do is you have to align to your inner energy, to your intuition. Close your eyes, pray to the divine source to help you with the answers, and open your eyes and select the set that attracts you most towards itself, and directly jump to the reading. In the description, I am giving you the timeline of the reading. You don't need to go through each and every set. But before we start with pick a card reading, I would like to quickly align you on two important things. That we have a parent brand called Astro Vruksh by Shafali, under which we have tarot reader Shafali in Hindi, tarot reader Shafali in English, Astro Vruksh by Shafali in Hindi, Astro Vruksh by Shafali in English. For YouTube channels, especially for the segmented audience, Hindi speaking belt as well as English speaking belt. Friends, you can check our website for the details of the services that I provide as well as the packages that we have. I am also offering the integrated destiny management solution around in this brand, which is. But before we start with the reading, I would like to quickly align you on two updates. That Astro Vruksh by Shafali is our parent brand. Tarot Reader Shafali is a sub-brand of Astro Vruksh by Shafali. And we are present across all the social media platforms. We can service clients globally. We are already servicing clients globally. You can check our website www.astrovruksbyshafali.com for recent updates on what all services that we provide. You can even book the packages through the website, or you can book the services through the website. Also, I would like to mention that we offer integrated destiny management solutions which help you to plan your life mindfully and make better choices in life with the help of very scientific and practical approach under this brand. Friends, I have also introduced annual report packages. That is, we are offering annual tarot reading report for you, for your personal session, which is available in two formats. First option is annual summary report for tarot reading for your personal reading, and another is monthly tarot report across the for year 2022 for your personal reading. So these are the two packages available. You can check the details of these packages either on my social media handles like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Clubhouse. Also, I keep on doing a lot of sessions, so you can interact with me over there. You can check these packages on the social media platforms, or directly connect with me through the DM or through DM on these channels, or WhatsApp me or email me on astrovruksbyshafali@gmail.com or tarotguideshafali@gmail.com. So these are the two important announcements I wanted to make. Also, one more announcement to add on with. I will be starting Astro Vruksh Academy in the coming year, where we'll be offering different courses under this academy. To start with tarot reading course, which will be led by me in the coming year. So if you all are interested, any one of you, if you are interested in learning tarot cards, tarot reading, you can connect with me offline and check for the details. Without wasting too much of time, let's quickly see what's in cards for your pick a card reading for October 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi friends, welcome to the pick a card reading for month of 2021, October 2021. Friends, this reading is little more close to your accuracy because you choose the set over here. So what you have to do is align with your intuition, focus on the center of your forehead, pray to the divine source to help you with the guidance for this month, and choose the set that draws you towards itself. I would advise choose one set. If you're drawn to more than one set, you can choose maximum 2 sets. You can directly jump to the reading. I have mentioned the timeline of your reading in the description box, so you can directly jump to your set. So let's quickly see what's in cards for set number 1 people. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi friends, let's see what's in cards for set number 1 people. So friends, let's see what's in cards. So people who have chosen set number 1, as you know that this reading is little more closer than the general reading for your own personal life. So let's quickly see what is the energy which is surrounding you guys for the coming month. We have man holding a heart energy which is surrounding you guys for the coming month. This is a beautiful energy, energy of love, energy of proposal, energy of romance, energy of happiness and fulfillment in your relationship. So friends, enjoy this time. This man might be really interested in you romantically, or he might be genuinely in love with you. So not necessarily romantically always, because you have to consider the situation. You have to consider the situation that you are into right now and what relationship you are considering right now while taking this reading. So what I can suggest over here is there is a love energy around the corner, and this love energy is more likely offered from a male figure in the relationship. It could be your partner 99%, but for some of you it could be your close male figure who is trying to nurture you, nourish you, pamper you. Okay, now if we move towards relationship, we can see Page of Cups energy in the upright position, which is again strongly confirming some new proposal coming in your life with regards to relationship. Now if you people are single, then this could be a marriage proposal, a partnership proposal, a dating proposal. If you are already in marriage, this could be a situation where the male figure in your relationship is trying to nurture and revive this relationship and take it to the next level of emotional fulfillment and satisfaction. It also suggests, if at all you are considering some other relationship while picking up this reading, where the male energy is trying to pamper you, nurture you and show you that they love you, they are interested in you and they want to take care of you. Now here the message for you is, somewhere you'll have to spend time with yourself in loneliness to attain that inner peace, and be open to receive the love energy that is flowing your way. Don't ask questions, accept it, receive it with open arms, because this person seems to be very genuine and genuinely interested in making you loved, pampered and taken care of. Coming to your career, we see Ace of Cups in the upright position. So now this card is very not in upright, it's in the reverse position. So this card is suggesting maybe you were expecting some new job opportunity, closure of some new deal, some unexpected new opportunity was expected in your career or in business segment, but now since it is in reverse position, so it has got blocked. So you received this opportunity or this news about the opportunity from a known source from the past, and you were very excited to make it happen, to crack it, to take things ahead in this career front, but it is right now blocked. Now this could be a situational factor, so I would suggest wait and watch, right? That is the approach you should take. There is a female, there is a senior, very well connected lady, either it could be you yourself or somebody who is senior to you in the industry, in the hierarchy at your work, or somebody you know who is really genuinely interested to help you out and share your name and fame across, to make you bigger, and to make you a very important potential candidate for this opportunity which you have been waiting for. So do network with her. She is the right person who can help you out, or you yourself could be the right person who can help you out to position yourself better in the environment which needs that little push for make things to get closed for you, for a positive note. Coming to your finances, friends, we can see World card in the reverse position. Now this card is very strongly suggesting blockage in financial growth, and it's not because of your own fault. At times it could be because of the overall market situation, or the stars are not right for you to invest or divest. You might just lead to losses if you take some important decisions in financial segment right now. So hold on, prepare yourself, discuss with people, participate with the right people who are expert in the field, and take their decision, take their I wouldn't say decision, take their suggestion to plan your action, and don't take major decision right now. Things might shape up over the period. Wait and watch in financial segment. Also coming to your health, friends, I can see maybe you have worked on your health and you're waiting for results to happen. You are waiting for things to shape up in your health care. Those who are spiritually inclined, yes, you have worked on your spiritual upgradation, spiritual upliftment, and you're waiting for things to shape up from that front also. So overall, health looks quite harmonious. It's time for rest and rejuvenation, and waiting for things to get healed And just I would suggest that follow your routine healthcare regime. Maybe you're going right over here. Chakra advice card is suggesting inner strength, but in a reverse position somewhere you have that inner strength within you which is unblocked, or which is blocked, which is waiting to be unblocked. So just be aware that you are empowered, you have it within you, it's just not the right time, because of which you are not able to experience that power. Wait for the right time, or else try to use more of yellow, orange, red kind of colors in your daily regime. That will help you to empower yourself. It will help you to increase your self-confidence and take you to a next level in terms of vibration, and it will boost your aggression in a positive way. So try to utilize these colors to uplift your energy, because you might be feeling little low during this time. Visualize success. Angels are advising you to visualize success. If you visualize the right thing for you, you will attract it. That's the power you have. So visualize success. Be affirmative. Be right when you're visualizing success. Be very sure on what you ask for, and you will attract it. So overall, the month looks like a mixed month for you. Majorly, there is something expected in the relationship segment. Health looks decent. Career and finances are looking little challenging, but you will take care of it as you have inner strength within you. So I hope this reading helps you guys. Take care. Let's see what's in cards for set number 2. Hi friends, let's see what's in cards for people who have chosen set 2. As you all are aware that this reading is little closer to you than your general reading, because you choose your own set. So let's quickly see you people who have chosen set 2. What is the message for them? We have the energy of deceit that is ruling your month for the coming month, October 2021. So this energy is very strongly suggesting you to be careful about from someone, most likely a male energy, who is trying to act smart, who is trying to cheat you, who is trying to trap you, who is trying to politically corner you into something which you can't even distantly imagine, and it can really harm you. So this could be external energy. If you yourself are feeling like doing something to others, please hold on with your horses, because it can really cost you badly if you don't do that, if you don't control your instincts, which are not very right at this point of time. Now if this is external energy trying to affect you, then you have to be very, very careful. We'll see what other cards are suggesting and which is the area that you need to be careful in specifically. We'll start with your relationship. We have 8 of Pentacles in the upright position in relationship segment. This card is suggesting that you are going to work on your relationships, whether it is marriage, whether it is friendship, whether it is siblings or parents, kids. You are overall going to spend time and plan ahead in terms of how to build your home, how to make it better, how to nurture it, nourish it, how to build wealth for your home, how to build your relationship to a next level and revive it with a fresh start, or give a lot of nurturing and pampering to it. For people who are singles, they might be preparing to showcase themselves for long-term engagement, long-term commitment, and might be meeting people. For people who have been planning babies, yes, this could be a time when you will be working on the prerequisites which are needed to move towards a parenthood. You are looking quite innocent and very positive in terms of approaching your relationship, so that's a very nice and a positive energy here. So use it to optimize and make the most out of your relationship. Coming to your career, friends, we can see King of Cups energy, but in a reverse position. Now here is a warning bell which we are getting. The deceit energy could be the energy which is reflecting in your career. It could be, okay, I'm using my words very wisely so that I don't want to misguide any of you, but just be double careful, because there is a person who is King of Cups who is in the reverse position. So somebody who is senior in authority, either you who is trying to play around with your work, which might lead you into mess, a big mess. Celebration was expected, but it might lead you to mess, okay? So be careful. If it is you, be watchful of your deeds. If it is somebody else, there could be somebody else who is in the senior position, either as your senior colleague, your employer, some business partner, industry expert, somebody who is trying to play around with your career, who is trying to negatively influence your career, bully you, trying to imbalance you, that kind of situation, or trying to deceive you, get you into some murkier politics. So there is a person who is trying to harm you. Okay, so just be careful. Celebration is the card which is suggesting you might be meeting this person through networking. So it could be the possibility that you might meet this person across the parties, across the networking events, or some meetings. Just try to be extra cautious during the celebration or meeting times with this person, because he might try to act smart during your interaction process, leading you into a little bigger mess in terms of your career. Coming to your finances, it looks quite decent. You seem to be expanding on yourself, enjoying, having a good lifestyle, building some wealth for you, spending some wealth on yourself. Overall, it looks like a fun time which you're, so I don't see you like planning for an investment, a big investment, but yes, you're exploring the opportunity, you're being adventurous, trying to explore something new, trying to enjoy yourself with the kind of financial wealth you are enjoying. And overall, it looks a nice rosy picture there. Coming to your health, friends, maybe somewhere you were offered some healthcare regime, but you wanted to reach attain some X health position, but you were really idealistic. You are not taking action, but now you're getting realistic. You're moving towards the completion of your health care regime. You're moving towards completion of your healing process, and you're being realistic and taking steps toward it. So even in terms of healthcare, it looks good. We can see divine wisdom. You are getting enlightened over the period in terms of different segments, depending on your journey, life journey. You might be attaining certain wisdom in different segments of your life, what you are into. Base chakra is the advice given by angels. They are asking you to choose positive thoughts, positive people, positive situations, and positive memories to focus on and build your time ahead. So overall, it looks like a mixed month for you. Special care to be taken from people who might try to cheat you or trick you into a mess, especially in the career front or in a education front or skill building front. So just be a little careful. So it could be as simple as you wanting to pick up some course, and that those people try to trick you by miscommunicating or overcommitting and under delivering. It could be as simple as that, to an extent that the person is trying to create or spoil your image at career or job front. So depending on your life cycle, life journey, you have to pick and choose the advice. So I hope this reading helps you guys. Take care. Let's see what's in cards for set 3. Hi friends, let's see what's in cards for you. For people who have chosen set 3, as you are aware that this reading is little more personal than the general reading because you choose your own set. So let's see what's in cards for set 3. We start with your energy oracle card. We have thinking woman energy in the reverse position. Now friends, this energy is very strongly suggesting that there is some smart lady, some very intelligent lady who is not able to either think, or she's not able to think rightly. Now if this is you yourself, then it could be you leading yourself into a bigger mess, because you are leading yourself in stress, depression, and you are leading yourself into anxiety where it is not needed. Maybe if it is somebody else, then this lady is trying to, she herself is going through this phase of being claustrophobic, being trapped, feeling of being trapped. And she's very negatively thinking right now, psychologically and emotionally, because of which she's trying to, she's knowingly or unknowingly trapping you or affecting you in a negative way. So you have to be little careful with this lady, because though she's going through mess, but she is also a smart lady. So the combination is little dangerous, because she'll not take herself into only mess, she'll also take you along. If you're trying to understand what I'm trying to say, so just be a little careful with this lady or your own self. If you're going through this phase, just be aware and try to mindfully change your course of action. If needed, take a healing in place. Coming to your relationship, friends, I can see a Fool card in the reverse position, and also a 8 of Swords in the upright position. Now I purposely have drawn 2 separate supporting cards because I thought a need of same. So basically this card are suggesting that your relationship looks like in trouble. It's majorly the lady in the relationship is going through a very big psychological trauma, psychological mess, kind of identity crisis could be the situation, or she's going through immense torture and stress. It might not be the real situation. The situation might not be very real in the sense really so bad, but she's feeling that bad. So if you can understand the difference, so maybe this is the lady who is getting reflected in our energy, and she's strongly controlling your month. So just be careful. So friends, looking at this card, we somehow feel that this lady is going through a big mess, and she has a capacity to take the relationship into mess. Now there could be a two possibility. Either the relationship is really going through mess, because the Fool reverse is suggesting lack of vibrancy, lack of positivity, lack of happiness and novelty, and a fresh start in the relationship. So because of which this lady is feeling suffocated, she's feeling stressed, suppressed, depressed, anxious. So that could be one situation, and for others it could be a situation that she's feeling like that. That's why the relationship is getting in the mess. If you understand the difference, so either the situation is bad, so she's getting depressed, or she's getting depressed, so the situation is leading to bad to worse. So overall, what I can understand, overall what the suggestion I'm getting over here is, you are going through, don't worry. Okay, so the bigger highlight is don't worry, wait and watch. You are going to really get a big revelation through this stressful relationship that you are going through. So now this lady could be you, this lady could be somebody else who is going through this, which is bothering you because she's really near to you, she matters to you, or she's influencing you. So this is a real complicated situation which we are seeing here, friends. If you guys are going through this, maybe you can you will need a personal reading. I would suggest, of course it's your personal call, but what I'm trying to come at is, because there are multiple messages I'm getting here, multiple situations I can see here. So the crux of the situation is the relationship is going to go through a bigger breakthrough. So after a breakthrough, so after a tremendous stress, you actually are able to either nourish the relationship to a next level, so you will feel the thicker and stronger bond, or you will feel a totally detachment. So what happens in your case is to be revealed as the things come by, and it's very, very personal to you guys, as you guys are going through different life cycles. So that is the message for you for relationship. Coming to your career, friends, we can see Page of Swords following Seven of Wands. So Seven of Wands was the first card which I got, which is suggesting that maybe you were going through very tough time in career. People were going against you, situations were going against you, you were holding on for some time, but now the situation is totally upside down and you are not in the position anymore to hold on and manage things from your end. There is too much of mental stress, there is too much of issues that you're facing at your work, and you are somehow trying to just sustain. That is what we can see over here. Listen to your inner voice to address this issue or address this situation. Your inner voice, your intuition is going to guide you. Nobody else can help you best as your intuition. So get connected to your intuitive self, and things will be more clearer on how you can handle it. Coming to your finances, friends, we have Hangman in reverse. So somewhere you were indecisive about what to do with your financial status. You were confused, you were not even able to take decisions, but now you're getting clarity, you're getting realistic, you're getting maturity to handle your decisions in terms of financial management well, which is a good news for you. Coming to your health, health looks balanced. You're taking care of your health, you're taking right support in terms of your health care. You are trying to approach your health with a very new perspective in the coming month, and you are not only taking care of material health but also spiritual, physical, emotional, psychological. So overall total health care you seem to be taking care of. Chakra advice card is advising you to focus on truth, to focus on your communication. Your communication is going to be crux in most of the areas, especially in relationship and career, which is going to be a challenge area for you in the coming month. So be aware of what you speak, whom you speak, in what manner you speak, what time you are speaking at. So these are multiple questions which you really need to take care of before approaching or doing something. Or talking out something or communicating, whether written or oral or even physical or verbal. You have to be very, very careful here, and be along with the truth. Don't take support of lies that can really cost you further, and it can deteriorate the situation. Angels are saying that you are a born leader, so in that even toughest situation, you will emerge as a leader, you will grow as a leader, and not only you will help yourself, but you will have capacity to help others too. So that's the reading for you for October 2021. Let's see. I hope it helps you guys. Friends, I really hope that this reading is going to help you to plan your life mindfully, and you will get a better chance to choose the set for you. You have got a better chance to choose the set for you. If you're looking for a personal session, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number or on my email ID. You can check my website www.astrovruksbyshafali.com to check the services that I offer and to book the reading also. You can share this video with your friends and family so that they can also get help, because this is a free reading. Share your feedbacks on the videos so that you can get what you need. I mean, if you want certain topics on pick a card reading, of course, be open to share your feedback. And I would like to thank all the subscribers who are already part of the journey and welcome new ones on board so that I can service you in my capacity. Take care and have a nice time.